Kaboom. That's what I'm gonna put in there. And this little puppy right here cost me a whole 68 cents. Yeah. Go to the store and look. Don't buy the ones in a box. You can pay $1.99, $2.99, even $3.99 for one electrical outlet like this duplex receptacle. But you look at the ones that they just sell individually down all together, 68 cents. You know, that's what I'm gonna use for that. And incidentally, GFCI electrical outlets, what's the big deal with those anyways? Well, anytime that you have a bathroom area like this, or a kitchen area, the garage, or any exterior outlets, they're all supposed to be protected by GFCI outlets. Now this one doesn't look like the one that you normally see. That's because it's over here, okay? See there, that's the actual GFI outlet, and it's got a test button, a reset button, and all that good stuff. Okay, that other electrical outlet over here is connected to that. You can wire up the GFCI electrical outlets in such a manner to where everything downhill from that electrical outlet is all covered. Okay, so if you got plugs, here's a plug here, here's another electrical outlet there, those are connected to this GFCI outlet. Okay, now you know. So it's time for me to replace this electrical outlet, mainly because it's really hard for my mother to unplug everything out of here. And I don't know, I think it's rusty inside of there. I can feel it, and it's actually pretty hard. She's not left-handed or anything, and it's kind of hard for her to unplug that. Okay, so I thought, phooey on that, I'm just gonna go ahead and replace it. And that's my little project today. You wanna learn how to do that, how to take out a defective electrical outlet and install a new one? Stick around.